We have the amazing mixologist Q in the Smile Kitchen, and Q will be sharing two refreshing summer mocktail recipes to help us beat the heat. So get ready to cool down. These delightful non-alcoholic beverages are called what? Mocktails?
Mocktails.
All right.
Morning, Bridget. And that's the reason it's called a mocktail, because no alcohol.
Because it's mocking a cocktail.
There we go.
All right. What are you going to be preparing for us this morning?
All right, so I have two cocktails for us today. One being the Sunburst and the other being a berry pimento lemonade.
Berry pimento lemonade. Make that one there first. And talk us through it. Tell us what you're doing and how much you have to put in there and all kinds of stuff. And this is just coming from you.
This is coming
just your
from me
thing.
and a twist on a few known cocktails.
Okay. While you're doing that, where Q come from? Because your name is Garrett, so where you get Q from?
So the name Q is a little bit embarrassing, but it has become something of a title that I can now wear.
Mm-hmm. A little bit embarrassing because you were drunk.
I was drunk.
And you kept saying Q.
I kept saying Q. That was...
Q as in another flask?
There we go. All right. So
the drunk mixologist is Q.
Formally.
All right, talk me through this now.
All right, so we're using about, let's see.
You have a ride and whistle, do you know?
Mm-hmm. About a dozen pimento.
There we go. Mm-hmm. 15. An ounce simple syrup.
Simple syrup.
That's like boiled sugar, right? Basically.
Boiled sugar, basically. An ounce lime juice. Mm-hmm. We will be modeling that so we can get the pimentos cracked.
What's the word I use there?
Model.
Model? Oh, okay, good. All right.
That way we can extract the flavors from the pimento itself, so we don't just have seeds flowing around.
Right.
We do a backhand taste, because you can't just...
As opposed to a front end
There
taste.
we go.
Okay.
That's interesting. I always wonder why they do that to you.
No, it's a backhand taste.
So, an ounce.
Ketchup.
Which I should be of berry syrup.
Oh, berry syrup. Okay.
No, usually you would measure, but given the years of experience.
Yeah. Oh, you know what an ounce looks like.
Show up.
Just a little bit.
What kind of berries are in that?
This is blackberries.
Just strictly blackberries. Okay, that's blackberries. Mm-hmm.
All right, using
one of the foods of life.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a superfood, isn't it?
Yes. Heard that has a few health benefits. Haven't checked it out yet, really.
All right. So you're just adding ice to the ounce of blackberry juice.
Blackberry juice.
And you've got your muddled pimento, simple syrup, and lime juice in a separate glass.
Yes.
All right. What's next in the process?
So what we're doing is ice to fill. Pour off the simple syrup with...
You got a strainer?
Do need a strainer.
It's all right, man. Do it to
Turn your hand, make fashion, man.
I know nothing, man.
That's it.
This one don't have to strain.
No strainer, no problem.
No strainer, no problem. Well done, Q.
The strainer was because you don't want the pimento seeds in it.
Correct. You don't want to use a straw and then have a seed fly back to the throat. That's then a whole different experience, and you probably want to sue the company. All right, so with that...
Oh, you're adding something else to it?
I am adding some orange juice.
Okay, so it's a pretty vitamin C rich beverage. All right.
So that causes a little layer.
Okay, right, yeah, we've got layers for real. And you can see the separation too, because the simple syrup and lime juice is sitting atop the berry, and then there goes the orange
juice. The berry is actually heavier, it doesn't mix at all.
Right.
Then some soda water to top, because you have to balance off the sweet.
Mm-hmm. Two very distinct layers.
You can give it a gentle stir to the base. So that way you mix in the pimento syrup.
All right.
That's the first one.
This is the first one.
Can you garnish it with
I am just
rosemary?
going to garnish with rosemary. No. Just for the excitement.
My burn down the place for the excitement. Yeah.
What's the purpose of quailing the leaves?
Once quailed, you actually get the essence of it to open up a bit more.
Let's pop that right in there. Good to go. All right, that's one down.
It's Christmas in July.
Don't it?
All right.
Christmas in July. So tell me again quickly what's in there before you go to the next
So
one.
it is pimento
Yeah,
syrup,
yeah.
which is basically like a mixture of lemonade, simple syrup, and the
Yeah.
pimentos that are muddled, the berry syrup at the base,
Okay.
and then orange juice.
And the club soda.
And then club soda to top.
All right. Next one now.
All right, this one was thought of on the way here.
Okay.
So you've never done it before?
I have never done it before.
All right. God can
Just some
try
flavors just popped into mind, and I'm like, you know what? Let's do this. Let's try this and see if it works.
God can try that one day.
Yeah, because clearly my insurance stronger than yours. What's this one called, by the way? En route?
En route. So we're doing grenadine, which is pomegranate syrup. So we do an ounce of that to the base.
I like when I'm saying thing about it on the way, but him have pomegranate syrup just in the car. Just.
I mean, as a bartender, like you have stuff at home.
Right, I want to see your trunk, like police stuff. So pomegranate syrup. What else are you
Using
gonna
a few
add?
cubes of ice. This would be followed up by orange juice itself. Should be about 2 to 3 ounces of orange juice.
I don't know how this man can measure 2 to 3 ounces in a different size glass.
It's a count.
Experience.
It's a count.
Friend.
Experience.
Soda water to top, as you know, we have to balance out the sweet and the tanginess from the pomegranate.
Right?
And then just as a garnish.
Yeah, light it up again.
Right away.
There you go. So we have number 2. All right. Q, thanks a lot. Good work.
Yeah.
Good work. Mixologist.
Yep.
All right, that's...